Camoplast products are made to perform. With more than 50 years of experience and more than 10 million tracks produced, Camoplast is the world leader in rubber track manufacturing for snowmobiles, ATVs, tractors, construction equipment, and the military. Camoplast combines its passion for power sports with integrity, creativity, and a commitment to excellence to put more power to the ground. With its roots deep in the snowmobile industry, Camoplast has earned a reputation for its customer focus, consistent high quality, and best-in-class warranty. Camoplast tracks start with the largest R&D team in the industry. This group of experienced specialized engineers, chemists, and technicians are challenged to make every product better than the one before. Tracks are made in high-tech, state-of-the-art facilities. They're made of proprietary high-resistance rubber compounds for strength and durability. Camoplast's unique tread patterns are designed for optimal performance and deliver outstanding control at high speeds. Camoplast products are the preferred choice for power sports manufacturers and customers across the globe. Nobody knows tracks like Camoplast.
I'm the service manager at Team CC in Wasilla, Alaska for the last several years. Being from Alaska, we've tried a variety of options as a hunter and a fisherman to get out to where the game is and the fish are. I chose Camoplast as the product that I use for several reasons. After a lot of research, I found Camoplast to be a very durable product. We work with them on snow machines. They're durable, the price was very good, and the performance was outstanding.
The Camoplast product, overall the fit and finish is top of the industry. Their quality customer service has always been great for us, and they continue to put out great product.
Yeah, a lot of my customers, older people using the track system for access to their cabins. I have line hunters that use the track systems for line hunting. In the spring of the year, there's turkey hunting here where you can't use just a snowmobile or an ATV, where you've got mud and snow. So that's where the track systems works good. They can cover all that kind of terrain.
We had a client that came into our dealership and was looking for, to use his unit more in the wintertime. And they have a couple of UTVs, and we recommended the Tatou 4S track system to them for the UTV, and they now are able to use their units year-round through the snow, the mud, ice, when they're out, checking their equipment.
I use my track system for everything. I do ice fishing in the wintertime with them. I'm able to go through bog and swamp in the summer to get to my favorite fishing holes. And in the summer for hunting. Because I have a UTV, or side-by-side, I can carry a lot of gear in the back without having to get to a trailer and never worrying about being bogged down or stuck in the mud. And perhaps one of the nicest things about it is I can take my grandkids and get back without having to worry about them getting out and help shovel, because they don't like to shovel. The most impressive thing I've done with my tracks is climbing. It's amazing. Even at off-camber situations, side hilling, I've been very impressed. They're very stable. I have never felt tippy. They have performed in rocky situations over rocks, off-camber, uphill, downhill, And I've been through snow personally at about 3.5 foot deep. So I've never felt in a position to where I was in fear of being stranded when I've had my tracks on. Whereas with tires, I'm in fear of getting off a trail. There's actually a variety of places I can take my Camoplast tracks that I could never go to before. Across swamps, across some tundra. They perform very well. Flotation is marvelous. And of course, I could never use my side-by-side in the wintertime with tires. Now I'm able to use them in the wintertime, and I can go where I want to go because of that.
The units are definitely more stable in a side hill situation where you're traversing across the side of a hill. It seems with the tracks you have definitely more stability.
The stability of the tracks on a UTV is probably a lot better than with just the tires, because the tracks are wider and longer, therefore the machine's not going to roll as easy.
The stability is wonderful at any speed that you drive it. I've even noticed it off-camber situations, that it's been very stable. I get no feeling of wanting to tip or be in a spot that made me nervous. So no matter what speed I was going, from crawling to 35 miles an hour, I felt very comfortable.
The installation goes very well, about hour to hour and a half, I would say, with the following their instructions. Great instructions in the kit.
As far as installing tracks on a UTV or an ATV, time frame's about the same. 2 people, hour and 15 minutes can have the tracks completely installed.
The thing that I like the best about the Camoplast track system is they are definitely all season, can run them on any terrain. The flotation and the ability to go through the snow, and also pull loads in the snow with the Camoplast product.
The Camoplast track system is something I'd done quite a bit of research on before I bought tracks. They have a good history. I've worked with them in the snow machine industry, so I know how reliable and how the quality of the tracks are. And so I was very confident that that same engineering and reliability would follow through into the tracks for my side-by-side, and that's been the case. So they're a very durable product, the price point is excellent, and the customer service has just been marvelous.